Five-kingdom classification. Five-kingdom system of classification was postulated by R.H. Whitaker in 1969. This type of classification includes five kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. This classification was made based upon certain characters like cell structure, thallus organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction and phylogenetic relationships. Kingdom Monera. All prokaryotes fall under Monera. Monera includes bacteria and other mostly tiny, single-celled organisms whose genetic material is loose in the cell. Monera includes most organisms with a prokaryotic cell organization, that is, without a nucleus. Bacteria occur everywhere, means they are universal in distribution and are microscopic in nature. Most bacteria fall into one of the four basic shapes: they are spherical, coccus, rod, bacillus, vibrio, and spiral, spirillum. Based on nutrition, bacteria are autotrophic, which means they prepare their own food, and heterotrophic, which means they derive their energy from external source. Monera has since been divided into archaebacteria and eubacteria. Let us first learn about archaebacteria. Archaea, like bacteria, are prokaryotes and have no true nucleus or any other organelles within their cells. They have a special type of cell wall which helps to withstand extreme conditions. Initially, archaea were seen as extremophiles that lived in harsh environments, such as hot springs called thermoacidophiles and salt-tolerant archaea called halophiles, and those living in high methane habitats like marshlands are called methanogens. Archaea have some importance in technology, with methanogens used to produce biogas, and as part of sewage treatment, and enzymes from extremophile archaea that can resist high temperatures and organic solvents are exploited in biotechnology. Now let us learn about eubacteria. Bacteria are vital in recycling nutrients, such as the fixation of nitrogen from the atmosphere, for example, rhizobium, found in the root nodules of legumes such as groundnut and nostoc. Bacteria that are photoautotrophic use light energy to convert carbon dioxide into useful molecules for the cell. A good example of photoautotrophic pathway is photosynthesis. Chemoautotrophic bacteria generally use inorganic chemicals as their source of energy. This energy is achieved by oxidation, reduction reactions often involving metal ions. The energy is used to convert carbon dioxide into the molecules needed for life. Although the vast majority of these bacteria are rendered harmless by the protective effects of the immune system, and a few are beneficial, some are pathogenic and cause infectious diseases, including cholera, syphilis, anthrax, leprosy and bubonic plague. The most common fatal bacterial diseases are respiratory infections, with tuberculosis alone killing about 2 million people a year.